is like butter. I can't describe the differences. It's truly mind-blowing. Now when I see Alan Garrett growing those gears, now I know why. Other than the fact that obviously he's just infinitely better Cobra driver than me. That's besides the point. But now it makes more sense. This is sweet. I should have done this years ago, honestly. All right, guys, welcome back. It's been about 2-3 months here since I put my last Cobra video up. You know, spring is finally here, at least for a week. I'm gonna take the Cobra out. This is always a fun time when you get to take the cover off. There's always a few tips that I've learned, you know, when you're ready for this day. So what we'll do is we'll take the cover off, go ahead, we'll start her up, and I'm actually really excited to get it on the road because I've not driven it with the Magnum in it yet. We put the Magnum in with the custom drive shaft. I'm so excited to see how it shifts, how it changes the feel of the car. Really fucking loud. Because I'm sure you guys have heard me complain that the knockiness of the T56 was kind of the only thing I didn't really love about the car. So without any more said, we'll go ahead, we'll get the cover off, we'll get it started, we're going to let it warm up, and we're going to just take it for a regular drive. Probably the most important tip, now maybe this to some may be common sense, but you know, the gas in this is 6 months old. You know, it's sat, and you know, it's probably like a watery 91 octane. So it's pretty important that when you do take it out of storage, if you are up in the north like me, or you have your car away for an extended period of time, don't be taking it out and doing a huge beat run, top end run. Just cruise, get the tank out, and then you can have some fun. So, all right, let's get the cover off. Now, a tip that I always do when I take the cover off, easier with 2 people, but it is what it is trying to kind of like roll it up like this. That way when it comes time to put it back on, it's much easier. Just kind of roll it on. Roll it up, fold it in thirds, and that's really about it. So nice to see it out. I wish today was sunny. It's not a sunny day, but it is warm. We'll get it out on the street. Let's start it up. Another thing that's a good tip, you know, the car's sat now. Hopefully, what I usually do is I change the oil before I put the car away, because especially if you run E85 like I did a few times this year, you get contaminants in your oil, you get some of that ethanol in your oil. You don't want that sitting all year, all winter. So it's good to change your oil before you put the car away. But I'm a little anal. I just want to check it to make sure the level's good. You never know if it's sprung a leak over the winter. Something like this is really quick and could really save you. Level's perfect. These cars always take a little bit more. They call for 6, but honestly, sometimes you put 6 quarts in, it doesn't even show up on the dipstick. So this car usually gets about 6.5 quarts. So I'm gonna keep the trickle charger on it until I start it up, and then we'll take the charger off and we should be good to go. Another good trick is, if you think about it, all your oil has drained out to the bottom, you know, out of the heads. So what I usually do is I just kind of hit the starter, bumped the starter a few times, which should help distribute some oil. And she started right up, better than I was expecting. No noises, no knocks, not that there should be. Started up really nice after 4 or 5 months. So let's get it on the road. I can't wait to see how this Magnum feels. Everything sounds good up here. I'm just hoping for a good, easy car season. Nothing crazy, just enjoy the car. One of the last tips, again, I usually increase my tire pressure before I put the car away to get rid of the flat spots. You got to remember to take some of that air out. You don't want to be driving on, you know, clutch engagement feels good. I was a little concerned with doing the transmission install. You have to, you know, get the pivot ball just right for the new transmission. And I honestly matched exactly what the last T56 was. And we didn't really get a time to test it out. But the clutch engagement feels perfect. Man, does it shift different. Already I can tell how smooth and easy it is. It just glides into gear. Probably shifted with one finger, not the middle finger, but you'd never be able to do that with the T56. The T56 was clunk, where this, one finger. So that's really nice. Definitely got a little tire shake, definitely got some flat spots. They're gonna take some time to wear themselves out. But so far, for taking the car out, this is pretty uneventful, which is exactly what you like. You know, I tried to shoot some more film this winter, and work's been busy. You know, for those that don't know, I'm in the ice cream business, and with COVID and whatnot, in the restaurant business, you know, it's hurt a lot of businesses, and to others, it's positively impacted them. And you know, I'm one of the restaurants that it's positively impacted. We're setting records every single day. Every single week seems to be a new record. So, you know, I've been a little bit busy and not been able to enjoy myself on the time off, but it's hard to not enjoy this. So I know I said you really shouldn't get on it too much, but just gotta touch it just a little bit, you know, getting on the highway. Little drive shaft wobble, which I'm a little disappointed. It was supposed to be balanced, but I'm just so amazed how it goes 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. Wow, it's gonna be a great. I just got to figure out this drive shaft wobble. Definitely got a little bit of a shimmy over 3,000 RPMs or so. It's not undrivable, but definitely gonna have it either looked at, or maybe it's a pinion angle. A couple things it could be. So that's probably it for now. Just gonna enjoy the car for a little bit. Might have some snow next week, but I wanted to get the car on the road. So that's about it, guys. Stay in touch. Stay tuned. I will be uploading more now, I promise. So that's it. Thanks.